Today I'm gonna make a scrub, another body scrub. So I got brown sugar, lemon juice, a coffee grounds, coconut oil with like a bowl, a little mixing bowl, and a spoon. So I want this cause I just want to try it with brown sugar, and y'all know coffee grounds, exfoliate your skin. And lemon juice, I want to try lemon juice, see if it's gonna like. I'm using lemon juice to lighten dark spots on my body, or whatever, not to actually lighten my skin to look lighter, just to clear things up. I know it got hair inside because I've been using it. I used it for my hair one time. But anyways, make sure you like this video, comment down below, and also subscribe to my channel for more great uploads. I can't really talk that good because I am suffering from TMJ. Muscle spasms in my jaw, and I can't really talk that much, so throughout this whole video I'm just probably be silent and just put some music on. So let's get started making this video. What I wanted to say about the scrub, when I used it in the shower, before my shower, it worked really good. My legs were soft, it worked really well. So I'm gonna have to stop talking about it. My jaw is hurt right now. Okay, y'all, I am trying to mix the clumps up out here, all that, so I can make it more smooth a little bit. But it really won't matter once you use it. But when I was looking at it, the after results, it looked kind of red. It's like a pretty red, velvet red. So I don't know, but it looked pretty. So hope y'all enjoyed the video. Subscribe to my channel if you're new and like this video. I'm gonna stop talking right now. I also wanted to show y'all to end out this video. This was the first scrub the first DIY I did on my channel. This was like a year ago or so. So it said, I know it still have some, you know, coffee scrub in here, whatever. You know, I don't really use it that often because it's messy when it gets in your tub or whatever. But I'm planning on using this. I'm gonna use this one that I just made in the shower. See how it does. But I'm gonna continue to finish out this bag, so you know I can make more scrubs for you guys, and also buy jars to put my own stuff in. So this is how my old one look. It don't look nothing like this one, because this one a little darker since I added different things in there since this one. But hope y'all liked this quick DIY of a coffee scrub / brown sugar scrub with some other added things in there. So thank y'all for watching this video. Hope y'all liked it. Leave a comment down below, like this video up, and also subscribe to my channel if you're new. And I will be, you know, coming back with y'all with another video. If you would like to request a video, you can hit me up on my social medias, or you can go down below and comment. Any video y'all want to do, I will do, but only to a certain extent that I could do. So I just try my best doing it. So have a nice day, and I'm out. I'm gonna be back with y'all. Have a nice day.